Unlocking your personality. The Big 5 Traits Explained. Ever wondered why you're super organized or maybe a total dreamer, always lost in your own little world? Today, we're breaking down the 5 big personality traits, their pros and cons, and how to manage them in your everyday life. Let's get started. Please like, share, and subscribe for more. Open to anything? First up, openness. If you're high in openness, you're probably super curious, love new ideas, and think outside the box. But it can make you a little scatterbrained or impractical. Maybe you start a million projects but finish none. So how do you manage all that creative energy? Try setting small, achievable goals to channel that creativity. Write down your ideas and pick one to focus on at a time. Baby steps, people. Baby steps. Conscientiousness, the planners. Next, conscientiousness. High conscientiousness, you're organized, reliable, and great at planning. But of course, there's a downside. You might stress over perfection or struggle to relax. The key here is balance, my friend. Schedule downtime like it's a task. Seriously, put it in your phone, set a reminder, and when the time comes, relax. The world won't end if you eat cereal for dinner. Chapter 3. Extraversion, party people. Third, extraversion. Are you the life of the party? Do you walk into a room and instantly become best friends with everyone? Then you, my friend, are probably an extrovert. But even social butterflies need a break sometimes. Balance social time with solo recharge moments. Even extroverts need a breather. You might actually enjoy the quiet. Chapter 4. Agreeableness, the peacemakers. Fourth, agreeableness. High agreeableness means you're empathetic, supportive, and a team player. People love your vibe, but sometimes you might avoid conflict too much, or let people walk all over you. Practice saying no politely but firmly when you need to. It's okay to put yourself first sometimes. Remember, you can't pour from an empty cup. Chapter 5. Neuroticism, the feelers. Finally, neuroticism. If you're high in neuroticism, you're super self-aware and in tune with your feelings. It can make you really intuitive, but it can also mean more anxiety or mood swings. The key here is learning to manage those big feelings. Try mindfulness or journaling to process those big emotions without getting overwhelmed. And hey, if all else fails, there's always ice cream. That's it for today, folks. Knowing your personality can help you play to your strengths and manage your quirks. Thanks so much for watching. If you liked this, please give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who'd love it, and hit subscribe for more. Comment on your personality type below. I'm dying to know. Are you a conscientious extrovert like me, or maybe an agreeable neurotic? See you next time.